At Y.H.F, China's leading ESD vinyl flooring manufacturer, we proudly introduce our free of carbon fibers ESD vinyl flooring sheets 2100 series. This innovative product eliminates carbon fibers, offering superior benefits for industries that require clean and high-performance environments. Typical ESD floors use carbon fibers for conductivity, but over time, carbon flakes off, creating carbon particle contamination that contaminates sensitive environments. These floating carbon particles can damage electronic components, especially integrated circuits, by forming conductive pathways that cause malfunctions. Our carbon-free anti-static flooring 2100 series addresses this issue with a metal oxide conductive formula, which provides excellent conductivity without the risk of carbon particle contamination. The no-carbon conductive flooring has a clean, smooth surface, free from carbon fibers, offering a more aesthetically pleasing environment. Unlike traditional ESD floors, it doesn't have black streaks or grids, creating a more comfortable and cleaner workspace. With the advanced material, carbon particle contamination is reduced by 99%, ensuring better protection for electronic devices and a safer working environment. By choosing our free of carbon fibers ESD vinyl flooring sheets 2100 series, you get a durable, low-maintenance solution that enhances air quality and protects sensitive environments.